welcome to the 6th Asia Oceanian Congress of Neurorehabilitation AOCNR 2025 in conjunction with the 24th Annual Scientific Meeting of PERDOSRI, PERDOSRI 2025.
It's our great honor to have you all here with us today in the beautiful city and historic city of Yogyakarta. On behalf of Organizing Committee, Asia Oceanian Congress of Neurorehabilitation and PERDOSRI, Perhimpunan Dokter Spesialis Rehabilitasi Indonesia, we welcome you to Indonesian Annual Scientific Meeting in Yogyakarta. I would like to extend our highest appreciation for your presence here. Your enthusiasm is truly remarkable for us, especially for our international guests from overseas who travel so far to reach Yogyakarta.
I must congratulate Indonesia to first sign the Act of WHO for Right of Disability. That was the first signed by the Indonesia, and I must congratulate because that built up the community-based rehabilitation in this country.
I am particularly struck by the theme of this year's Congress, Neurorehabilitation, Future Trends from Hospital to Community, because indeed it is very true that when rehabilitation is involved in the care of patients with various neurologic and medical conditions, at the hospitals and in the community, that healthcare outcomes and quality of daily living improve.
Dari sudut pandang filosofis, neurorehabilitasi adalah wujud nyata dari pepatah Jawa nguwongke, memanusiakan manusia. Ketika kita mengembalikan fungsi dan martabat seseorang yang pernah kehilangan sebagian kendalinya, sesungguhnya kita sedang menjaga harmoni kehidupan.